So I've got double geography, double biology. Yay! Morning! Morning, Lizzie. How are we feeling? Okay. Oh, how's the party? We get Diet Cokes every morning. It's not an addiction. It's a hobby. Blue. Sick for working man. Look at Andy. Oh, go girl. Those leaves. Blow those leaves. Lift. No. She's lagging.
Wait, I don't know what that is. I think I already see what it is. It's the book from who? What?
Guys, so wait, you'll win like a massive competition if you can tell me what this is. Talking about taurine. It's bull sperm. No, don't tell them. It's synthetic.
And then they'll just get the actual separate elements and like put it together. So it's like, it is the same animal, but it's not called bull sperm.
You guys getting fantastic marks in your A-levels do, so shut up.
Him and his 9 cats.
I used to be a huge gamer. Has risen from 15% to 25%.
It's very shocking, I suppose, nowadays, aren't they? Which is the next big religion.
Dead pen. Why is it like Buki looking at the top?
That's
like,
really
what's a sarcophagus? Oh, so like, there's more females. We're just better.
Men are better. You go, what are you on about?
If you said men are better because you had more people living, then I'd be agreeing. But look, there's more females.
But who runs the world?
Girls.
Spring. What's that?
I used to live. I loved the spring.
Volume dial, right? And you're basically got a double unit.
Welcome to Mossad, Prince William.
Costa now. Costa. Hi vlog. Should we get some kids? Hi vlog. Hi vlog. Hey. Let's interview. What? Keep it kosher. Keep it kosher. Keep the discussion. Well, Saturday night activities, not second Diet Coke of the day. I have one in my pocket. Gina's been dropped off. All these kids, man. Look at all these kids. How's the toast? Really hard. Yeah. Oh. Yeah, of course we're vlogging today.
You didn't notice my new skirt. How you offended? There was a massive sale on. It was lovely.
What exam?
It's psychology.
Oh shit. Oh. It's not good morning. It's Monday. Oh,
That is gorgeous.
That was the most dramatic thing ever. I showed you, and Ilana snatches it.
Always like go slower. Watch. Oh yeah. Ooh,
£2.
yeah.
Stressed. I do like my 2, 1,
Light.
3, 2, 1. Like filming TikToks, right? And I was like walking backwards so I could get like more in the frame. And I just stood on Miriam's bin.
Big bin.
And Miriam goes, yeah, Lana, actually. Oh my god, Dina.
Miss of Marston has slut shamed me today. She said that my slip's too slutty. Well, she didn't say the word slutty, but she said it was too hard.
It's actually all my fault, but I'm still mad about it. So I just cancelled it. And then they texted me saying, why is it cancelled? And I ghosted them. Why is it cancelled? Alana Lesser is a skank. And just...
S-L-U-T slut. S-K-A-N-K.
Oh, don't know. You know.
Wait, what? I burped down my flute in my music.
How do you burp down the flute?
Playing.
So what did it sound like? No, you gotta be a wee bit. You sound. No. Someone say it. There was 2 guys pulling in the back of an RS class. Come here. We need some clarification in the vlog. Mr. Pitt's tie. You know what? Not only should we have no PDA in sixth form library, we should have no PDA anywhere. Especially in an RS classroom. I mean, we learned about same-sex marriage.
No, it's not. Oh god, I need to paint my ass. Look at that.
Wow. Guys, we're going to Kosher Food Club.
Hello.
Hello. Why isn't it working? I'm really struggling, guys.
This is
such artistic shots.
It's because it's like 6D or something. Guys, look at the gorgeous area around our school. It's so lovely. Walking so slowly. Come on.
Amen.
Hi, Mum. Oh. It's really my folks here. What the fuck? Did you see yourself getting with Brookie in the other vlog?
I love how realistic now.
You dumb fuck.
What's an epilepsy and seizure?
Nothing, that's what it is.
I thought it was like one
Epidemiological condition
where you have seizures.
where you get unprovoked seizures.
Spent an hour telling us there's two pictures on the board the whole time, telling us about perspective. If something's smaller, then that means it's further away.
This stick back here, right, is going to get skinnier and shorter, and it's going to be so fast we fucking gather.
My grandparents got me a really cute present yesterday.
They always get really cute
My
presents.
grandma has cancer.
Well, my grandma's dead.
Do you know I'm not doing it? So, calendar and diary.
Wow, that's really cute.
With two horses.
When I was in Leeds, there's this girl on my tour who, you know what? Her dad killed himself, right? And basically, so we were sat talking. She's like this.
Your problem, you can't be making jokes about that. People here have non-present fathers.
I feel like this needs a trigger warning.
I'm
Conversation.
not very good in these type of situations, you know.
You're not good in any type of situations.
Oh, I am. Hello?
Can we get rid of the chili sauce?
No, I'm not finished yet.
Oh,
No, what do you mean? That's not appropriate for the vlog. It was there.
Miriam had a really fun weekend. New experiences.
Life is full of things to experience.
This is why she's wearing a long skirt today, guys. She is
Yeah, no,
repentant.
I don't have anything to repent for. I'm feeling holy today.
Yeah, you wish you did that.
No, I didn't.
Have you got A-levels this year?
Yep. In like 2 months.
Both the biologist is not a botanist, and the two different types of biologists, the zoologist and the botanist, some of the biologists... Even if I was so determined to get into med school, this would put me off it. How does a saying go?
You just smiled it. Grab your bag, grab your dick, and get out.
You're the one in the back, no, this skirt is so long. That's a dress. It is.
Hi, Bob.
How can I make a face in the letter T?
That makes so much sense.
Oh, like that.
Guys, that is a T,
that is good.
but with a
I like
face.
that. Okay.
Get me doing our A-level. I should have
like
picked it. That is a Juno's. Absolute schnoz.
Funny today, like.
Woo. That was a lot. That was good. Vehicles that were while they were.
Hey!
Bye guys, we're going to Slay.
They let fully stop. Yeah. Why is no one panicking? I kept looking around and everyone was just real. This isn't a real world.
just thought my face.
Why is
Wait, were you scared?
I was getting claustrophobic in this. There was loads of
Where is it? Catch my thrift. I literally cannot go to any festivals because I'm just such a late planning family, and I just. Guys, I missed the exam last week. She's making me do it right now. I'm scared. I'm really scared. Oh my god, what the flip? I didn't revise this.
Mum is gonna kill me. This is like my 10th pair of glasses this year.
I'm back. The exam was awful. Teachers miss. I was like, oh my god, I'm never gonna call teachers miss. That's so rude. And now I call
I
everyone
never thought it was rude.
Miss Cheetle. Mrs. Cheetle, sorry. Oh my god, your hair on tour was scrumptious. It was really good until the end.
Not aimed.
Could have pulled that fit American. Could have pulled that Mexican.
It's so difficult to pretend I can't hear.
You were a really loyal girl. Dance with weird dance moves, and we copied her dance moves, and then she saw us copying her dance moves.
One of our last like places, it has a pool. So like, we're all like on my knees, like pool. And then we all jump in the pool. Not even jumping in the pool, like only some of us in the pool. And then this Israeli guy is like shouting at us like, you need to stay out, you need to stay out. Go and get a bubble. And when we come back, everyone's walking out because some kid had just pooed in the pool.
Wait, could you see the poo?
No, we couldn't go in. I didn't see the poo.
Really interesting questions about this process. I'm just going to clarify the process. Everyone has those answers. The chemical pathogen leaves behind. It's like a train. It's going
I want to go here now.
Thief.
No wonder it's like getting like aggravated.
I'm getting aggravated.
Have you ever had glasses?
Yeah, that's because I lied though, because I wanted glasses.
Do you remember this so clearly? You had glasses.
Yeah, I know. It was clearly EAD, but I must have been like EOV. Ever tried to like break your arm or something so you could get crutches? And your dad was...
Wait, I don't know. Was someone else in the car? Why did
No, it was like me, your brother, and then Ginger Kid and your sister in the front.
Oh right, well, of course I was in the front, bitch.
She was snoring! How does someone fall asleep in seconds?
Literally alive. I swear she's like actually a zombie when she's sleeping.
So I'm sat here, your brother's like squished next to me, our legs are touching, and so I'm like, oh my god, Yafna. So your dad's going, oh. So like, imagine, right, sit next to me. Me, sorry, and I'm your brother, and we're literally going like this.
Oh my god.
And then your brother made such a fat deal of it at the end. He was like, Dad, did you have to go so hard around the bends? And I was like,
Guys, I'm always late for training.
I swear to God, it's not normal. I'm in bare feet right now, what the fuck? That's not normal. I've just sat in bed for a whole hour on my phone doing nothing. Oh, my scar. Fucking reflection of chair, okay? New pyramid. There we go. Battle wounds. I CBA editing it. I can't lie. I'm going to bed.